So we're here at Bullseye Power, and we wanted to talk to you today a little bit about TCT, which stands for Triple Compression Technology. This technology was patented about 15 years ago, and we've used it across a wide range of platforms. But today we're going to focus a little bit more on just the 18-wheeler market. So if you race a big rig, or you drive every day and you're trying to make a living and you're looking for better performance, better reliability, possibly fuel mileage, Jake brakes, pyrometer, this wheel is what we recommend. And you can see on the right here, this is your standard billet wheel that you would see from just about any manufacturer. You can see it's got two layers of compression. They call that the main blade and the splitter. And this is an 80mm straight blade, just pretty basic. It works great. But we took it a step further and we developed this triple compression technology. So you've got three layers of blades. You can see you've got a tall one here, kind of a mid-main blade, and then your splitter. Seems subtle, but that little bit of extra layer, even though it's not all that tall, picks up about 10 to 12% airflow. And then, it's a different technology, but it's incorporated in this wheel. You see this squiggly blade, and if you've been following Bullseye Power, you've seen this for probably close to 20 years now. But basically what we're trying to do is just create more surface area. So if you can get more surface area on the blade, you can move more air per revolution. And that's what this entire wheel is all about. Together, you probably will see somewhere in the neighborhood of 15% more airflow for the same diameter wheel. So we have this available in 78, 80, 83, and 85 millimeter. And that's just all based on your horsepower level. So some of our guys are using our stuff down in the 600 horsepower range, and some of them are all the way up over 1,000 horsepower. Some guys are running low to mid 30s on boost. Some guys are up close to 50 pounds of boost. If you are going to be running over 40 pounds of boost, 45, 48, in the upper range, and you're looking for even more reliability, titanium would be the way to go. And the Titanium Series Turbo has a few things going for it. One is obviously the titanium compressor wheel, which is a lot stronger than aluminum. And of course, it's going to have upgraded bearings, it's going to have a treated shaft. So all the things that break on turbochargers, and if you're an over-the-road truck driver, you know what turbos break and how they break and where they break. And so this pretty much addresses the entire gamut of problems to ensure even more reliability. These compressor wheels have probably been out about 5 or 6 years now, and we've had pretty much zero failures. I mean, obviously people have oiling issues or they have motor issues, and you can't really help that, but as far as the turbo goes, it can pretty much withstand quite a bit more high cycle fatigue, high boost levels, high shaft speed, that kind of thing, without failure. So people may say, well, the titanium's heavier. Yeah, it is heavier, but in the big rig market, that actually turns out to be an advantage. What our drivers tell us when they call back after switching from another brand or even switching from our aluminum to titanium, they say that the boost doesn't drop off between gear shifts nearly as much. So you're quicker to come back on boost, which that's always good when you're having to shift to 9, 12, 15, 18 speed transmission. So it gets that boost back alive again. So if you look at all the advantages that we just spoke about and you roll it all into one, we feel like this is the best turbo on the market. Reliability, performance, everything that you guys are looking for all rolled into one package. And they're in stock and ready to go and all made in the USA.